everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today is something super excited. Today we are building a Fennec Shands sniper rifle. On Etsy I found a shop, it's called Galactic 3D Empire, and they had the DIY box to build the sniper rifle. On their site they have lots of other DIY kits, you should really check it out, but I chose for the sniper rifle since that's beautiful with my Fennec Shands cosplay, and they gave me the 3D printed parts, and I just have to build everything together, paint, sand, prime, that kind of stuff. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. Let's take the box with us. It is a huge box and I already opened this because I needed to see what was inside. So let's open the box. I'll put it right here for a moment. First of all, they gave me a little business card. I'll put a picture of it clearer right here so you can find your social medias and the name. Next I got a paper with my order on it and then how I have to build the sniper rifle in steps. Let's take out the parts. So these are all the parts that are in the box and I'll unbox them first so we see what parts we have. I also want to say that this is a bigger project and I started this tonight and I probably won't finish it today, so it will take me some more days to finish this sniper rifle and the video, so that's why I'll be wearing some different outfits and there will be a different background, so just so you know, that will be the reason why. Okay, now let's unpack these parts. Okay, sorry, the first thing that came to my mind, this looks like a lightsaber. You have to be honest, this looks like a lightsaber. Okay, everything is packed out. These were all the parts you saw in the video. And then we got this instruction manual. And they describe super clearly what I have to do and how I have to put these parts together. So that is what we will be doing next. We will be building this sniper rifle. So let's do this. To make sure my sniper rifle stays together, I'm using this glue. It works on almost every material, so that is what we'll be working right now to make the sniper rifle. I put on a different shirt and put a mat on my bureau just to protect everything from the glue. Okay, right now we'll be actually making the sniper rifle. we've got the two parts we need. This part, and then the only thing we need to do is put this part we made before in here. And then we have our sniper rifle. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks so cool, and I made this. This is what we finished today. We were able to build these parts together. It looks super cool, and tomorrow I'll be priming and painting the sniper rifle, and then we're almost done. We are day 2 of making the sniper rifle from Fennec Shands, and today we are going to prime, and if I have the time, also paint the sniper rifle. I'm using a primer I bought in my local shop. You can almost find it everywhere, online, in your shop. And this is a primer that goes on almost every material, so that's perfect for the sniper rifle. And I changed my shirt, and we are going outside, so that's why I put on shorts, because it's pretty hot. And yeah, that is what we'll be doing right now. Okay, we are day 3, and I bought another bottle of black spray paint, so we are finishing the sniper rifle today, and I'll be changing my outfit because I won't be working in this dress. Let's do that first. Okay, we switched our fit in some sweatpants and again the crafting shirt, as I call it right now. But yeah, we are going to finish the sniper rifle, let it dry, and hopefully it will be done today, so let's do it! Hello there everyone, we are day 4 and today we are finishing our sniper rifle. Yesterday I painted the last parts black. Now it's dry. I let it dry the whole day, so everything was good. And today we are going to glue this part on top of the sniper rifle so it can't fall off. And yeah, that's almost done, and we have our sniper rifle, and then I'll show you the finished product. So I'm just going to add glue on the part right here and then put it in this part right here, and then wait till it's dry. And now we're going to let it dry, and then I'll come back to you guys. Hello there everyone, we are day 5 because yesterday I couldn't work any further. I was a little bit too sick. But the sniper rifle is finished today. Everything is glued down, everything is dry. So we have the final product, and I'll show you what she looks like. that is what my sniper rifle looks like. By the way, we are the same day, I just changed my shirt. But yeah, I'm super proud of what the end result is. It looks so realistic, so cool. And as I said before, I can't wait to fully cosplay Fennec Shands with the helmet, shoes, cosplay. Now I have the sniper rifle, so it will be epic. As you might know, she wears a sniper rifle on the back, you can see it right here, and she used a belt to make sure the sniper rifle stays on its place. I want to make that belt too, so I can wear the sniper rifle to conventions, but I still need to think how I'm going to do that and what materials I will use, so that will be for another video. Thank you so much for watching how I made the sniper rifle. I am super happy with the end results and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me build it too. And if you want to know how this looks with my Fennec Shands cosplay, then definitely take a look at my TikTok or my Instagram. There will be a picture or a TikTok with the sniper rifle online. And if you have any more questions or you want to know something, just let me know in the comments and I'll gladly answer you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, or the notification if you want to be the first that watches my YouTube video. Again, thank you so much for watching, it really means the world, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. May the force be with you. Bye!